So I just wanted to make a quick little video on these Makita batteries. This one in particular is the 18 volt 4 amp hour battery. The battery number is BL1840. So basically all the cells in this battery were very old and they needed to be replaced. As you can see, I mean, I've replaced a few of them already. But the problem with this particular battery was that it had these two fuses. These are 50 amp JHC fuses. Don't know if you can see that. These are basically impossible to find. I found some on AliExpress, but they were like €5 each, so definitely not doing that. The other option was to just buy a whole new BMS, but they are Chinese, and the Makita ones are generally just considered to be better. Essentially, you can replace it with any type of fuse. Now, these generally only go up to 30 amps. It's the biggest ones I could find, which are not really good for this type of purpose, because generally power tools can reach upwards of 30 to 40 amps, but that's like when you're really stressing the tool. So what I actually managed to find were these 50 amp fuses, and as you can see, they are sold as like these flat little type of fuses. And what I ended up doing was I bent them into shape like so, and then just soldered them on. So this is a single 50 amp fuse, which in my opinion is going to be more than enough for this type of battery, because these cells are not supposed to be reaching 50 amps anyways. So if the fuse blows, something has gone quite wrong. And yeah, so if I take out my multimeter and just put in the probes like so, hold up. I just measure it. You can see reading 17.9 volts, which is completely normal for this battery. And I've already checked every single cell and everything seems to be working fine. The charger does accept it, and yeah, it can be used for many more years. So hope this helps somebody, and have a good day.